If you've been posting consistently, showing up, doing the work, sharing your expertise, but you still feel invisible online, this isn't about you not being good enough. It's about one thing: your images aren't stopping the scroll. And here's what nobody tells you: beauty alone doesn't stop the scroll. Emotion does. Contrast does. Alignment does. I just spent 2 hours teaching coaches exactly how to fix this in my AI Scroll Stopper Image Amplifier workshop. And today, I'm going to show you the exact workflow that changes everything. But first, let me show you something that's going to blow your mind. Watch this. This is an inspiration image I found online. Professional, edgy, scroll stopping. Now watch what happens when I use my system. In less than 2 minutes, I recreated this image with my face, my brand, my style, and then I added text in Canva. Boom, a completely custom scroll stopping branded image that looks like I hired a professional photographer and a graphic designer. Total time, about 5 minutes. Total cost, $0. And here's the best part: you can do this with any image you see online that inspires you. You see a post that stopped your scroll? You can reverse engineer it and make it your own. That's what I'm going to teach you today. But first, let me show you why this matters so much. Here's what I see happening with coaches, solopreneurs, and service providers. You're creating beautiful posts. You're sharing valuable insight. You're being consistent, but your engagement feels unpredictable, or worse, pity-driven. A few likes from friends, maybe a, "Hey, that's a great post" comment, but no real conversations. No DMs, no clients, or at least not enough of them. And you start to wonder, am I doing something wrong? The answer is no. You're not doing anything wrong. You're just missing what I just showed you. Images that trigger the pause and align with your brand. Because here's the truth: your ideal client is scrolling fast. They're overwhelmed, they're distracted, and if your image doesn't make them stop in the first half second, they'll never read your brilliant caption. It doesn't matter how good your message is if no one's stopping long enough to see it. This is the gap I help coaches close, and that's exactly what led me to create a solution. So I just ran a 30-day image challenge inside my Amplify Your Business school community, where I gave members a new handcrafted prompt every single day to use inside of Google Gemini's AI image generator called Nano Banana. This wasn't just about playing with a tool. Each prompt was designed to teach a different technique, style, or emotional trigger, so people could learn how to create scroll-stopping images, manipulate AI to get the best images of themselves, and get creative by tailoring prompts that felt authentic to them. But the real gold? I gave immediate feedback on every image people posted. If their image didn't look like them, I showed them how to tweak the prompt for character consistency. If the AI didn't give them what they were looking for, I gave them hacks to fix it. This is what makes the challenge different from just a list of prompts you find online. You're not just copying and pasting. You're learning how to make AI images work for you, your brand, your face, in your message. The engagement some people were getting when they shared their images was a great start, but they wanted more. They wanted to know how to create those prompts themselves and how to tie the images to their brand and their business, their products, so that it created real engagement. So I built something to fix it. Meet Nina, the Scroll Stop Image Strategist GPT. Nina is your Nano Banana optimized guide for creating visuals that immediately connect and convert. But Nina is just one piece of the system. What really makes this work is the complete prompt to post workflow. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. But before we move on, if you want to see what's possible, go ahead and try this. Pick one of these prompts, and I'll include them inside the comments below. Use it in Nano Banana with your own photo, and let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. And if you want all 30 prompts plus my feedback, that's what you get inside my challenge in my Amplify school community. So come join us. The link is in the description. Now let me show you the exact 4-step workflow I teach in the workshop. And once you see how simple this is, you're going to wonder why you've been making content creation so hard. First, you open Nina GPT and you click Start. Then you'll get a list of themes to choose from, or you can create your own. Now here's a pro tip I teach in the workshop. What if you see an image online that you love and you want to recreate it with your own face? Here's what you do. First, you upload the inspiration image to Nano Banana and ask, what is the detailed written prompt for this image? Second, you copy that prompt, paste it back into Google Gemini, and don't forget to click Create Image. And then upload your photo and wait for the magic. Once you have that image, go ahead and take it into Canva and you can add your branded text overlay. This is how you reverse engineer any scroll stopping image you see and make it your own. No more wondering, how did they make that? No more thinking you can't make images that attract your customers. No more feeling like you can't compete with others in your niche. You just see an image you love, reverse engineer it, and customize it for your brand. In the workshop, I'll walk you through this exact process step by step. Plus, I show you how to fix AI mistakes and get perfect character consistency. Now, here's where the magic happens. I take that image, upload it to ChatGPT, and use my visual storytelling caption prompt. I insert these three things: my target audience, the core message I want to communicate using that same emotional intent from Nina, and my call to action. Or I can let ChatGPT choose. And just like that, I have an image and a caption that work together. So the image stops them, the caption keeps them, and the call to action or CTA moves them. Then I just get into my social media, paste the caption, paste the image, and post it. Total time about 3 to 5 minutes. And this isn't just theory, this is the exact system I use every single day. In the workshop, I walk you through this live step by step so you can follow along and create your first scroll stopper in real time. Now, what I just showed you is the foundation of the prompt to post workflow, but in the 2-hour workshop, I go deep. How to use Nano Banana Pro like a pro, including all the settings most people miss. How to create character consistency so your brand feels cohesive across every post. This is huge for building recognition. How to integrate text into images without it looking like AI. How to avoid the common traps that make AI content feel robotic or off-brand. And how to turn your feed, your group, or school community into a client magnet using strategic visuals. Plus, I give you my AI image hacks and tips for getting the best images of yourself, fixing AI mistakes when things go wrong, creating infographics that actually get shared, upscaling images for professional quality, and so much more. This isn't just a workshop, it is a complete system. Now let's get clear about who this workshop is for. If you're a coach or solopreneur who's been showing up consistently but not seeing engagement you deserve, or you're tired of feeling invisible even though you know your work is valuable, you want a simple, repeatable system for creating scroll-stopping content, not another complicated strategy, and you're ready to use AI as a tool to amplify your message and not replace your voice. It's definitely not if you're looking for just a magic button, or you're not willing to learn new AI tools, or people who just want to copy and paste without a strategy. It's for coaches who are ready to align their visuals with their message and finally get seen online. Now here's what you get when you join the AI Scroll Stopper Image Amplifier Workshop. You get the full 2-hour workshop replay. You can watch it at your own pace, rewatch it anytime. You get Nina, your scroll stopping image strategist GPT that does the heavy lifting for you, the complete prompt to post workflow, my 4-step repeatable system, which includes the visual storytelling caption prompt for ChatGPT so your captions match your images. You'll have 21 different theme prompts. You get multiple AI image hacks and tips for character consistency, text integration, and fixing mistakes, infographic prompts, and advanced techniques so you can take your content to the next level, and reverse engineering methods so you can recreate any inspiration image with your face. I'll go ahead and put the link to the workshop in the description. And if you want to join the community where I ran the 30-day AI image challenge and get access to ongoing support, monthly workshops, and a group of coaches who get it, you can join my Amplify Your Business school community with the link that's in the description below. So go ahead, click the links in the description, join my community, and drop a comment below and tell me what's the number one thing that frustrates you the most about creating content right now. I read every comment and I'll personally reply with a tip to help. You're all doing great work, you're showing up, you deserve to be seen, so let's make it happen. I'll see you inside the workshop or on the next video. Let's amplify your business.